first night on a boat. How was it?
Wasn't it the second night?
First night you slept while we motored, but yeah. First night sleeping under anchor, I guess I should say.
It was great.
Very rolly. Very rolly. Got up in the middle of the night, moved the rocker stopper out to the end of the boom. It was less rolly after that, but pretty good night's sleep. We didn't drag anchor or anything. The dive boat showed up this morning, so those guys are stoked. I'm a little jealous. There's a seal cruising around right there. That's my buddy from the marina. He's like tied up at a slip two slips away from me. Most people have cleared out. We're gonna have some breakfast and try to do some drone footage and then head out to Catalina. We're gonna circumnavigate this little island, so we're gonna cruise around it to the backside, see what we saw from the sea that we saw yesterday from up top, and then head for a little harbor on Catalina Island. But man, this place is very desolate and cloudy, very cloudy. Last night in the middle of the night when I got up, it was very foggy. But other than that, pretty cool. I plan on anchoring at all of the Channel Islands in the whole chain, so it's good to check another one off the list. So that's it. Time to make coffee. Morning! Woohoo! I think you need some oars.
Yeah, over at Catalina.
How was the passage?
It was alright. Less wind than I would have liked.
Yeah, there was no wind yesterday.
Can I come aboard?
Yeah, for sure. Oh, I got a gate over here.
This is so cool.
Dude, it's so funny. When you pulled in last night, I was like, holy shit.
See, I saw the Alvin Vega and I was like, or not, the Albert 30, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah. I recognized the boat, but it looked like it was a different color in the dark. I was like, no way. And then I woke up and it's blue.
Yeah.
I was like, doesn't it start with trite something or another? Oh, that's awesome.
So Sam's on it's a 26-foot Ranger?
23-foot Ranger.
23-foot Ranger. What's the name of the boat?
It's Yardbird.
Yardbird. And we're tied up like right by each other and Newmarks. And it's amazing that we ran into each other out here. Just crazy. And you're heading to Santa Cruz tonight? Or
Probably
tomorrow?
this afternoon.
Oh yeah.
I'm not sure how long it'll take, but I want to like show up there sometime during daylight. So.
Yeah. Do you know how many miles it is?
Not off the top of my head.
Yeah. So it's a jog, and there's nothing between here and there. Yeah. Safe travels to Santa Cruz. Fucking wild man. Hey, he is going a lot faster that way.
Yeah, much faster this way.
That's right. See ya.
Santa Barbara Island is a small island 35 nautical miles from the California coast. It is the smallest in the Channel Islands chain, only 1.5 miles wide and 1 mile long. It is entirely treeless and covered in gently sloping grassland that meets the sea as cliffs. A number of endemic plants and a rare night lizard call the island home. There is also a large sea lion rookery on the western side, just past Arch Point, and is a great nesting habitat for seabirds, including the world's largest breeding colonies of the rare Scripps Murrelets. We looked these birds up. They're small and they look like they're wearing penguin outfits. The highest peak on Santa Barbara Island is Signal Hill, that stands 634 feet above the sea and gives sweeping 360-degree views. Sutil Island, which is more of a very big rock, sits just off the island's southernmost edge. Native American peoples, probably the Chumash and the Tongva, occupied Santa Barbara Island periodically for millennia. Archaeological sites dating to as much as 4,000 years ago have been documented on the island, which may have served as a stopover or refuge point for voyagers between the mainland and other Channel Islands. Today there is a ranger station, and only those rangers and the occasional campers and cruisers visit Santa Barbara Island. Even fewer people visit now, since the landing was washed out in a storm. Even though it's a little lonely, we're looking forward to coming back someday, especially to dive the immense kelp beds surrounding this tiny chunk of California.
Scuba diving, or snorkeling. Skinny dipping. Is it cold?
Huh?
How cold is it?
It's not too bad.
Pretty windy. Getting ready to haul up and head out. Camille's taking a dip. It's a little breezy. It's gonna be cold when she gets out. The dive boat's leaving, and we're gonna head off for Catalina. We're gonna cruise around, see what the backside's got. Time to haul up. Pulling up the rocker stopper, which keeps us from rolling too much. I ordered a mushroom anchor, which is a little lightweight anchor, but it didn't come in time. So Camille came to the rescue. And we got our 8-pound barbell as our anchor. We left the anchorage, got the hook up. A little breezy over here. We're gonna cruise around, see what there is to see, and then sail for Catalina. Got dark again, unfortunately.
It's not cold though.
No, feels nice. I was sweating getting that anchor up. It's a lot easier with Camille. She was able to motor towards it. Man, that would have been a gnarly way to get it up by myself like I did in Santa Cruz. Quite a bit of winds coming on the nose, so it wasn't as easy as... I had really calm conditions there. I lucked out, I think. But Camille did a great job. First time at the helm, helping me get the anchor up. Good team. that rock. There's caves right there too, you see them? Tell me when to turn up here when you see that all that kelp ahead of us. Oh yeah, I see him up there. Oh, you see him on that beach right there? Right? Like a nursery, I guess. Isn't it pretty? "24 feet of water, 23, 22, 20, 19, 20, 19, 20, 19. We're sailing too. Okay, baby, you can come back.
What do you see?
Set our compass course, we're heading for Catalina. Goodbye, Santa Barbara Island. You're a weird one. Wow, look at that. Breaking right there.
We're gonna come back to dive though, right?
We're gonna come back and dive. This island would be really good for diving. We'll take a dive boat though, so it's we'll have more options of getting tied in. Let them worry about running aground. Oh! Hear him? Oh my gosh, look at him. So many. Below the water. Woo! Oh, he's jumping!
There's so many of them.
Oh yeah, what an escort. Oh yeah, we're in a pretty big pod. Yeah. Catalina Island on the horizon. What are you doing right now?
Tea. Looking for some water to boil for that tea. Hoping the whale comes back.
Right? Looks like sunset colors, but the sun's not that low, but man, the color's pretty right now.
No, we still got a couple of hours. Really misty over on the island, huh?
Yeah, the cloud cover. You hear him? Here they come. Right? They're doing stunts over there. Oh, you see them slashing their tail? Oh, that's a baby.
Little baby one.
Must be a school of fish right there. Wow! Look at those crazy flashing lights on the island straight ahead. More dolphins, huh? That's cool. So it's almost 8:30. We're coming into Little Harbor in the dark. It's a bummer. It's nighttime, but it is what it is. I've never anchored in the dark, so it's going to be a learning curve. Luckily, we have navionics, which makes life easier, so we can see where we are on the iPad. There seems to be a little anchor light, I would imagine. It's an anchor light of a sailboat. So we're heading into there, gonna try to sound our way around, see where we want to drop the hook. We have the good luck that there's no wind and no swell, so it should be easy on that front. Yeah, first nighttime anchoring adventure. So let's hope it goes well.
If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. Until next time.
Hello everyone, this is James on board SV Triteia with Camille.
Hello.
We're under anchor at Santa Barbara Island of the Channel Islands of California. The sun has finally broken through the marine layer. There have been seals playing about and seagulls hollering in the sky. And you're listening to a Stern View podcast. Pretty windy.
You still got a hard on.
Don't say that. It's a dive boat. Did you say you lost your oars?
Yeah, well, me and a coworker, we went to Avalon Saturday. I did like some scuba diving. We used to have two of these dinghies, one set of oars, and then he came back too drunk and didn't tie up the dinghy, so floated away with the oars.
That
And
sucks.
so that was the last of my oars. But I don't know. I feel like maybe just using some fins off the back with my feet maybe would do that better.
Might
So
be better.
the two-person version of this we had, that one actually paddled okay with the oars, but this one, like, there's not enough room. I think they're like too close together, or
Right.
they're just in the wrong position. The oars didn't work too well with this.
Yeah, I don't even know how you get it in there. It's like,
Yeah, I was thinking maybe just like some webbed gloves. Maybe that would
X-Men
work better.
yeah, there's this dive boat pulled up this morning.
Yeah, I just saw him come in.
How long was your passage yesterday?
24 hours. Because I went from Avalon and I went around the backside because I wanted to see that go on that side of the island. And I left at night, and I ended up like just kind of getting becalmed over there and just kind of floated around. The swell wasn't too bad, so it was
and I guess
okay.
your outboard's not really.
Yeah.
It does a little, but right.
I motored a little bit actually through the night.
Yeah.
But I ran my battery dead.
I saw your battery was getting sad last night. Yeah.
Oh, my lights are?
Yeah. Oh, it was like dimming real bad.
Actually, I forgot to turn my light off. I think it's probably dead again.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get some more sunlight again.
Right.
Oh, I think I need more solar.
Yeah.
I got a 50-watt solar panel, and it seemed like it was doing all right, but I haven't like done this many consecutive days yet.
Yeah. Awesome.
So
how much road you get out?
Maybe 200 feet. I got a ton for
That's
the
what I
steps.
got.
I was at Catalina there. All the moorings were full, and I had to anchor at 120 feet of water. I think I might have had 300 feet.
Holy
Man.
shit.
That was a rough night, like out there with
Yeah.
all the. And I picked like near the Coast Guard buoy, and all the traffic was going by. Oh man,
And
it was
Avalon?
miserable. Avalon, yeah.
Yeah, and I figured that, like, with school already started, it wouldn't be so crowded. I was shocked how many people were here last night.
Yeah, I was
In the middle
expecting.
of
Last time I was
fucking
here, there was one other person who showed up and just left, but there was so many people.
Yeah, wild shit.
Thought I'd
Yeah,
have
that's
the
my
place to
first time
myself.
here.
Oh, cool. So you came just straight from.
Yeah, we did an
Skeeter?
overnight. Left at like 8 p.m. Got here like 10. I mean, the hook was dropped by 10 the next morning. Got here at about 9.
Okay,
This is
well,
Camille.
that's
Have you
pretty
guys
good
met?
Oh, I don't think so. I'm Sam.
And I took a coffee.
Oh no, thanks. I don't drink coffee.
So yeah,